fall, but we both got issues that are unresolved. So we're making it. Bed of lies that you laying in. One last time. Told you a secret that you couldn't keep. When I let you down, you'd hold it all for me. Gave you leverage, intertwined, so I severed it. Staring at the screen when I should be asleep. I thought I'd let you go, let me suffer in peace. Feels like you're frozen, stuck in my mind. Started with emotions, blurring the lines. In between your curse and a remedy, I've seen your worst and it got too deep. You're frozen, stuck in my mind. Going insane, chasing your spirit, guess I made it up. Then I got my reflection in your broken love. Did your arrogance save us both the embarrassment? Cold as ice, I'm losing touch and I'm finding something to cope with. But all I see is your body is feeling hopeless. Somebody save me from myself. Staring at the screen when I should be asleep. I thought I'd let you go, let me suffer in peace. Feels like you're frozen, stuck in my mind. Started with emotions, blurring the lines. In between your curse and a remedy, I've seen your worst and it got too deep. You're frozen, stuck in my mind. I wish I was onto you, turning blue, I'm caught in the middle. Cause you've overused my trust just a little, but you celebrate. Feels like you're frozen, stuck in my mind. Flooded with emotion.